Hi, everyone. I'm Rachel with LifeStraw, and I'm excited to introduce you to our newest product, LifeStraw Sip Essential, our lightest reusable water filter. LifeStraw Sip Essential is a compact, BPA-free personal water filter straw that uses membrane microfiber technology with a pore size of 0.2 microns to remove bacteria, parasites, microplastics, sand, silt, and cloudiness from your drinking water. It lasts about 1,000 liters, which means if you drink a bottle of water a day, it can last over 5 years. Lightweight and easy to carry, Sip Essential is designed to give you confidence in your drinking water wherever you go. It weighs 0.7 ounces or 20 grams and is the lightest water filter we've ever made. Now let's get to unboxing and first use. I'm going to walk you through how to use your LifeStraw Sip Essential straw. Begin by taking everything out of the packaging. Your package includes a fully assembled Sip Essential water filter straw that has a tethered top cap, a silicone mouthpiece, a bottom cap, a silicone bottom plug, and a user manual. All packaging can be recycled when you're ready to discard it. If you lose your manual, setup and maintenance instructions can also be found at lifestraw.com. Upon first use, rinse the exterior of your Sip Essential with safe drinking water. Remember to never use soap on the straw body, as soap can clog the membrane microfilter. Start by removing the bottom cap. The silicone bottom plug remains installed during use. Place the intake end of your straw, which is the bottom part of the straw, into a cup of water. Next, open the tethered mouthpiece cap and begin sipping. Note that it may require a bit more effort for the first few sips as the membrane becomes fully hydrated. When you finish drinking, it's important to remove all remaining water from your Sip Essential straw prior to storage. You can do this by blowing air through the mouthpiece and gently shaking the straw until any additional water is expelled. Once it's cleared, put the bottom cap back on. Fully close the tethered mouthpiece cap and store in a clean, dry place until your next use. We recommend cleaning your LifeStraw Sip Essential about once per week with regular use, or, of course, before or after a trip. To begin cleaning, remove the bottom cap and the tethered mouthpiece cap from the straw. Place the straw under running, safe drinking water. While the straw is wet, remove the silicone mouthpiece and the silicone bottom plug. Wash the silicone parts and both plastic caps with soap and water. Rinse the exterior of the straw under running, safe drinking water only. Never use soap on the straw body. When you're ready to reassemble, assemble all the silicone components while they are still wet. Reinsert the silicone mouthpiece and the silicone bottom plug into the straw. Once fully dry, place the tethered mouthpiece and the bottom cap back on. Your LifeStraw Sip Essential is now clean and ready for your next use. Store your Sip Essential in a cool, clean place. Repeat this process once per week with regular use. For storage up to 1 month or longer, follow the instructions in our short-term and long-term storage video. For more information, you can visit the support pages on our website, where you can find copies of the user manual, how-to videos, and FAQs, or you can email info@lifestraw.com.